FFW, FLW.
For the following counties in North Carolina, Brunswick, and New Hanover. The National Weather Service
FFW.
has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, south central New Hanover County in southeastern North Carolina until 10 a.m.
That's
At 7:58
Carolina
a.m.,
Beach.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar.
That's an FFW.
Intent: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oak Island, Carolina Beach, Kerr Beach, Caswell Beach, Bald Head Island, Yopon Beach, Snows Cut, Ocean Crest Pier, St. James, Southport, Fort Fisher, Sea Breeze, Long Beach, and Dosher Memorial Hospital. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause dangerous flooding, especially near creeks and streams, drainage ditches, and low-lying flood-prone areas. Turn around. Don't drown if you encounter a flooded road. Most flood deaths occur
That
in
is actually a kind of flood-prone
Stay away
area.
from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams.
Like Fort Fisher.
Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep you away.
I thought it was a flood warning, not a flash
Here
warning.
are the 7 a.m.
I looked at it.
In Wilmington, rain and fog were reported.